Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to trim the start or the end of a clip in DaVinci Resolve. So we have a clip here, and if you want to trim off the last 5 seconds of this clip, there are two ways you can do this. Well, three ways you can do this. The first and the most obvious one is to click on the edge of the video and then drag this cursor over to the place where you want to cut the video. You can do the same on the start as well. Just drag this and place it wherever you want. So that's step 1. Another way to do this is using the cut tool. You can place your cursor over here and then click on Ctrl B, and then the video is cut, and then you can remove the part at the end, or you can do the same with the part at the start. Ctrl B and then remove this. Another way you can do this is by using the blade tool. Click on this blade icon over here and then just hover over the clip and then click on it. Then again click on the cursor and then you can click on the cut part and then press backspace to remove it. That's all.